Okay, calming down, calming down. I am calm. I'm just gonna, casually shoot this raptor in its fucking head. Bullet time. Go! Yeah, okay, this is getting a little repetitive. I mean, I've shot at the same enemies multiple times now. It's not that I don't appreciate them, but at the same time, this is getting kind of old. And the setting's getting kind of old, and I'm starting to feel like I'm playing some budget Turok here. Let's spice things up here. Oh look, another raptor. Oh, multiple raptors, or whatever the fuck these tiny ass little things are, these annoying fucking things. The grenade! Motherfuckers, they dodged it. Well, fine. Have a taste of bullets. Die, you friggin' walking suitcases. They look like they're made of leather anyway. Fucking everywhere. They're everywhere. And aiming in this game is so sporadically bad. It's ridiculous. Now let's use the bolt action rifle. No, let's use the bar and fuck them up. Of course, now not one of them is fucking coming out. Now that I have the big guns out, everybody's running and hiding. You better run and hide. I'll kill every last one of you motherfuckers. Just waiting for my bullet time to come back so it can be like Max Payne against dinosaurs here. Holy shit. Nice carcass. Let's see. I don't see anything, so I'm going to consider it safe to move on. Ooh, box. That means you're going to get a weapon. Or ammo. One of the two. I haven't seen any upgrades lately, though. Ah, that looks promising. Lots of space, lots of space. Is that a fort? Looks like a fort. I don't see anything, so I guess to the fort then! Yaha! Or yahar! What a— oh god. I've seen this before. It did this right before it went into like fucking death metal, kill everything with the machine gun. Survive in the fort until you've killed the enemy waves. All the enemy waves. Hint, use the recharge station to collect ammo for your weapons. Wait, what the fuck? What is this? Repair windows? What is this? Call of Duty fucking zombie mode? Oh my god, it is. That's exactly what you do in the fucking zombie mode of Call of Duty. You like guard a base, you rebuild the windows and shit. You set up, you get new weapons and stuff. What a ripoff. Well, I don't know if it's a ripoff per se, but it certainly doesn't feel that original. Ah, whatever. Okay, killing raptors. Clever girl. Clever girl, my— oh wait, I already did that joke. No, it's still funny. But yeah, okay, fine. So I've just got to defend the base, right? This can't be that bad. Shooting raptors, getting ammo. It's actually really easy. How the fuck am I like just rebuilding this anyway? And what is he, just chewing on metal pipes? God damn, they must really brush their fucking teeth, these raptors. Okay, I don't see anything. This game has an annoying tendency of not pointing out where the enemies are until they're like right on your ass. But yeah, this definitely reminds me of Call of Duty World at War, when you fight like Nazi zombies and shit. I mean, it's not a bad thing, I didn't expect to have it in this game. I'm guessing this must be what that mode was that we saw on the menu early on that I didn't check out. I'll be sure to check that out later on when I'm done with this game. I mean, how long can this game possibly be, right? He said that now. Watch this fucking OP never get finished because the game's too long and I get bored of it. No, actually, if it's going to get delayed, it's probably going to get delayed because constantly Vegas loves to ditch the audio sounds I record, so chances are the recordings I'm going to do are just going to go bye-bye. Happens all the fucking time, and then I'm too lazy to re-record something. Jesus Christ. You wily little bastard. Come on, rebuild the fucking window. Yes, thank you. I love it. Where's the fucking metal planks or whatever the fuck they are coming from? This makes no sense. It's like I just have this heavy supply of pipes to shove in the wall. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Die, bitch! Die, monster. You don't belong in this world. No, I'm not gonna do the whole fucking thing. It doesn't fit. The farthest you can go from Castlevania is fucking dinosaurs. This cheap-ass Turok knockoff. Oh, shit! Clever girl, he got in! Time to die, Dino! Yar, bitch! Damn, he's pissed. The fuck did they get in so fast? I've been rebuilding these windows non-fucking stop. Now I'm gonna stand here like a dick fucker with my finger up my ass, and they're gonna go over to the other fucking window. You gotta be kidding me, I can turn around like that while it's going? Why didn't anybody tell me about this beforehand? Incoming dinosaur! Beep, 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 danger. That is a fucking cool song. And no, I'm not gonna sing the song. That's like the last ditch effort of any fucking LPers when they start humming the music from various games. I won't name names, but let's just say some people fucking do it. I think it's annoying as all hell. Okay, and this is getting really fucking old. How long is this goddamn scene gonna last? I mean, how many fucking raptors are there? Seriously. I know the island's filled with dinosaurs, but how many of the same fucking dinosaur, exactly the same might I add, are going to attack this fucking fort? And why? Does I smell like meat? Are the raptors hungry? Hungry for... No, I'm not gonna do that. That's a horrible meme. But, yeah, this is going on and on and on. Wait a minute. I've seen this fucking shotgun before. And why didn't anybody tell me there was a fucking shotgun? You know, good that would have come in before. That would have been handy. A handy shotgun. Look at how fast it aces these fuckers, man. That shit is sick. And that shotgun looks exactly like the one from fucking, fuck was the name of that game? Another, like, budget title, something Secret Service. I can't remember the exact name of it. But yeah, it looks just like it. Shit, another one of the weapons in this looks like the one from Legendary. Nah, whatever. Rebuilding the wall. Waiting for dinosaurs. Eat lead, fuckface! God damn, you fucking cockfuck. Die! Die, you damn dino. Die! Here, smile for the camera, asshole. You're dead! Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, that took forever. Yes, ammo is full. Now I'm gonna cheat and reload all my weapons, because I'm a fuck like that. And I got a lot of weapons. I can't remember if you could carry that many in Turok. I don't think so. It's been a while. Maybe I'll play through that next. Yeah, this shotgun, it looks just like the one from the other game. I think, unless I'm getting it mixed up with something else, but I swear to God I've seen that shotgun somewhere else before.
Feels like I haven't slept in years.
We've been here this entire fucking time. What are you talking about? Man, this game likes to treat me like a fucking asshole. I swear to God. I need another loading screen. I'm sure to God this is not a Vortex Zero. And I'm sure it's not a Brachiosaurus either. Holy fuck, man. For once, display the dinosaur with the proper titles after it. Again with this Tyrannosaurus Rex. I haven't seen one fucking T-Rex so far.